We'll begin with a program block open and several empty networks. Drop down the FC blocks folder. The first method is to locate the subroutine or block and drag it onto the network. The second method is to first click on the network and double-click on the subroutine. A third method is to right-click on the network and choose Insert Empty Box. Enter the block's type, such as FC followed by the block's number. You may choose to use the name instead, but you must type out the full name exactly as it appears next to the block's number. Another way to select the empty box is click on the network and click the Empty Box button on the shortcut bar. Type FC followed by the block's number and press the Enter key. Drop down the Function Blocks folder. Let's make the subroutine call by dragging a function block to the next empty network. When a function block is called, the data block must be attached for purposes of holding the function block's data. An easy way to create the data block is click on the 3 red question marks. Type DB followed by a number. The editor will not let you reuse a data block number, so you will not accidentally duplicate or overwrite an existing one. You can see what numbers already exist by looking in the S7 blocks folder. Let's assign DB300. If symbol selection is turned on, like it is here, press the Enter key once and press Enter again. The program editor will tell you that data block 300 does not exist and asks if you want to generate it. Choose Yes. The data block has now been created and the function block subroutine call is complete. Drop down the SFC blocks folder. Also drop down the SFB blocks folder. Let's insert another network by clicking the New Network button on the shortcut bar. SFC and SFC blocks are special library blocks that are burned into the CPU's ROM. System functions and system function blocks are simply FCs and FBs that are pre-written and perform a special function. The subroutines reside in the library's Standard Library System Function Blocks folder. When an SFC or SFB has been used once, it will appear in the program editor's SFC or SFB blocks folder, and you do not have to get it from the library a second time. Let's make a call to SFC1 by dragging it onto the network. Let's add another network. Click on the network and double-click SFB0, the IEC CountUp counter. This is a system function block, so a data block must be attached. Click the 3 red question marks. Type DB followed by the number and press the Enter key. Press the Enter key again. Choose Yes to generate the data block. And the call is complete. You have seen how to make subroutine calls to FCs, FBs, SFCs, and SFBs. You have also seen that you can make the call by dragging a subroutine onto a network, highlighting the network, and double-clicking on a subroutine, or insert an empty box and type the subroutine's type, such as FC followed by the block number, or by typing the block's full name. This concludes the video on methods to call a subroutine in ladder logic.